I need to ask her a few more questions.
She's told you everything she knows.
I must apologize, but we have new information that was not available to Miss Turner at the time.
We need your help.
She's not answering any more questions.
It concerns the weapon that killed her husband.
Robert, what the hell is this about?
Have you ever seen a handgun like this one?
No.
Have you purchased or had in your possession a handgun like this one?
She's not answering that question.
Look, John, what we've got, it's not pretty.
Robert, what's going on here?
I must officially ask her one more time. In the last 3 months, have you purchased a handgun like this one?
What's going on here? Are you charging my client?
Mrs. Clare, we must read you your rights. You are under arrest.
Jane, I'll arrange bail. Yeah. We're going to clear you, Jane. You have nothing to worry about. Andrew Garfield, what is this? He can't handle this case. Have you checked him out?
Yes.
He was almost disbarred for jury tampering. He was working as a prosecutor, and a good one, too. And then he tried to put away Anthony Fabrizi. Does that sound familiar? Well, it should. Your husband was in business with him. He rebuilt half this city. Fabrizi was being tried for fraud, and Andrew Garfield is running the show. Only it's not going so well. He's losing the case. So he tampers with a juror. And all hell breaks loose. Fabrizi gets off. Garfield resigns. He's lucky he wasn't disbarred for jury tampering.
No.
Ask him, Jane.
Go. You and I know I'm the only one that can defend you, right?
In Texas, they call it a Smith & Wesson divorce. She shoots him, marriage over. So what next?
What do you mean?
Claire, what do we do now?
Listen, Frank, I don't need you on this case. It's open and shut.
What is this bullshit, Andrew? I thought we were friends.
We are.
I was already working on this for you.
Look, I understand. Just I don't need you anymore. There'll be other cases.
What's the matter with you? Is someone saying crap about me?
No, Frank. Just push too hard. That's all right. Yeah, just push too hard.
Push too... Screw you.
I want to talk to you.
Okay.
You want to tell me what you're doing?
What do you mean?
I had no idea you knew her.
I didn't. I met her that night with you at the charity event, remember?
Listen, no offense, but I think they're using you for something.
Yeah, well, one thing I learned about St. Laurent is everybody uses everybody.
Andrew, listen to me. Look in the mirror. Look at your track record. There's no deals here and then off for a drink and a sandwich. Saint Laurent's using this. He's been overlooked for judgeship. He sees this as his ticket. You're going to have to go the distance.
This is my coming out party.
Oh. Oh, she's no debutante. This isn't middle America. There are no white picket fences surrounding this mess. This is not your common and happy marriage, divorce, and everything's all right. This is complicated, messy murder.
And you're jealous. You know damn well right this could be $1 million paycheck. And you're afraid I'm not going to talk to you anymore, right? Hmm?
Okay.
What?
Okay. You didn't hear this from me, but we think she's involved with someone.
do you mean?
Well, the security guy saw a beat-up car around Claire's house. Outside in the drive, leaving at weird hours.
Maybe she was unhappy.
There's more.
Okay.
The morning after the murder, he saw the car driving away from the house in a manner that he describes as being suspicious.
Is this evidence you're sharing with me?
No. No. It's just being investigated. Make it a car and a couple of other things are a little hazy.
A couple of other things.
Theories.
Oh, when your theories turn to facts. We'll talk. Is that it?
It may be too late.
Any comments so far, Mrs. Spar? Mrs. Spar, any comments? Mr. Garfield, any comments on the latest development?
The province of New Brunswick will show evidence that Jane Clare, with premeditation, purchased a handgun with the sole intent and for the only purpose of murdering her husband.
Mr. Garfield.
Jane Louise Clare is innocent. That is a fact. You see, this woman is not only innocent, she's a victim. She's being used as a pawn. Murder based on what? No physical evidence. Only circumstantial. He talks about motivation. Anyone can have a motive. I can have a motive. The question becomes substantiating the motivation. That's justice. If we listen to the prosecution, we've already judged her guilt based on her status in life. This is not justice. This is not the duty of the court. Francis Bacon once said, and I quote, "In order to be just, we must cleanse all the idols of the mind. Like false phantoms, we must not be swayed by any illusions that clog our perceptions, but we must be swayed by only